Hi, how are you doing? Happy Thursday. I'm going to try these videos again. I hope this works this time. I'm not sure if it will. So if it don't, you won't see this video. If it does, this is a video you're going to see. I hope you're all having a great day. You probably stayed inside a lot because it was like super rainy this morning. Way super rainy this morning. We had a lot of water. And anyway, the plants have got a drink. So let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and tell you, I hope you did practice some fractions yesterday, because the equations that I'll be introducing, you've got to be able to multiply fractions and have a basic understanding of them to know what I'm doing. And it is a awesome manipulation of the equation that simplifies things for you. So it is really important. So today is Thursday, so let's go ahead and get this going. You got paper? Better go get some. Alright. Here we go. Today's date for Thursday. For the month, we have 2 to the 3rd times 2 to the negative 1, or to the negative 1st. For our day, we have 5 divided by 1/6. And for the year, we have 10 divided by 0.5. This one's not too bad. I'll give you a few minutes to, well, you pause it and work it out. Alright. And I'm going to solve it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So up here I've got 2 to the 3rd divided by 2 to the negative 1st. I cannot remember if you guys saw this or not, but whenever something's 2 to the negative 1st power, it basically means that you're going into values less than 1. So just like we had our positive and negative numbers, we've got positive multiples, and we've got values less than 1 multiples, or we've got values less than a whole. So if this is representing whole values, this one is representing fractional values. So 2 to the 3rd, that would be written like that. 2 to the negative 1st is actually written as 1 over 2 to the 1st, or 1 over 2. So this might make a little bit more sense to you. So if we wrote that as a fraction, it'd be 2 to the 3rd over 1. We can combine these two, and you get 2 to the 3rd over 2 to the 1st. Now this probably looks familiar to you. Remember how you do this? We have 3 2's up here. We only have 1 2 here. So basically we have just 2 2's. And 2 to the 2nd is 4. So there is our month. For our day, 5 divided by 1/6. I know that I had talked about before where you do 5 times 6 over 1. That's fine. You're looking at how many 6 or 1/6 values would be in 5 wholes. So there is the usual keep, change, and flip. That is basically called multiplying by the reciprocal. And then you would know that is equal to 30. But there's, we're going to talk about another way too. I just want to show you. Actually, I'll hold off on that. We'll keep it this way. So when you're dividing fractions, you basically multiply by the reciprocal. And 5 times 6 is 30. And that's what 30 over 1. Which is 30. Our last part, 10 divided by 0.5. The lucky thing for us is that 0.5 is actually an easy fraction. Do y'all remember what it is? 1/2. So basically you want to divide 10 by 1/2. How many half values would be in 10? You could do the same thing we did here. 10 times 2 over 1, and you would get your 20. Okay? No need in doing the decimal part here. We've got 4, 30, 20.